What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check product reviews with images on AliExpress. If you're scrolling through AliExpress and you find any product that you may want to buy and you want to check the product with images, all you have to do really is just simple. Tap on the product, be on the product page, scroll down and you will see images under the review gallery. If you click on that guys, you can go ahead and it will take you over to reviews where it's going to show you images with that particular product, and you can click on the product in those images to actually see what it looks like, and you can even continue to scroll to find all those people who actually take picture of the product so that you can actually see if it's something worth your time and if it looks like the quality that you want. You will also be able to see the latest reviews as well coming from that product that has images, so it will be sorted like that. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click the sort at the upper left hand side where it says sort by default, and you can say sort by latest. That's going to also give you even the more latest updates or more latest reviews coming from the product as well. And that's it.